Hello! Today I will show you how to make a piece of dough. Divide the dough in small pieces. After cutting the pieces of dough to the desired size, take one of them. We will always use our thumb to push it inwards, and we will use our little finger and other fingers to roll it. Just like this. Well, as you see, our piece of dough is ready. I will show one more. We will always push it inward using our thumb. We will roll our dough with other fingers. We will sprinkle flour on the outer side of the dough so it will not stick to our hands. I am showing slowly now. We will always use our thumb to push it inward. Now fast, now slowly. Yes, let's make one more. These fingers will always push the dough inward. This thumb pushes it inward. And we both roll and press it with our palm. Look, we always push the excess dough inward. And here is our piece of dough. Now we will make our piece of dough on the bench. We push the dough inward using our thumb. And we also use other fingers to push it inward. And we use our palm to press and roll it. Watch me rolling. Yes, here is our piece of dough.